Now that you have launched your instance of Symmetry Guest, you can begin adding system users. As the system administrator, you have access to the IDM tab where your identities live. You'll notice I have a single identity in the system. I can add users manually through the New button, or I can upload them via CSV. There is also an advanced REST API that can be utilized to automatically onboard identities, onboard and offboard identities from your HR system of record. For now, I'm going to show you how to add a user manually and how to upload users simply via a CSV file. You click on the New button, decide if they're an employee or a non-employee, what you want their default language to be, enter their first name and last name, their email address, their company, what building they work in, and their employee number if they're an employee. It is recommended that you send them the email to create their own login credentials, but if not, you can enter login credentials and send them to the end user securely. You can take a photo or upload a photo of the identity. You confirm the identity's information, the employee's information, and you save it. And the email to manage their credentials has been automatically sent. If for some reason they do not get the email or they lost the email, you can always send them an additional managed login credentials request email by pressing this button for the individual identity. Going back to identities, I'm now going to upload multiple identities via CSV. I click the New button. It will default to your building and your company. If you do have additional buildings and companies, you can override that and change the building and company. You can send your new users invitations to set up their login credentials. You can do that for existing as well. And you can also update via CSV and it will use the email address to match. There's a sample template that you can download so that you can have the exact template necessary to upload employees and identities into Guest. I'm going to choose a file. Sample. I'm going to save it.